Hello, I'm Ayako Sekiguchi from Wellness Kitchen. Today, I'll make a healthy dish with rice flour, sweet potatoes, and tofu. I'll be introducing sweet potato bread. It's perfect for breakfast and also great as a snack. In the second half, I'll show you some easy variations of the sweet potato bread. Please watch until the end. Here are the ingredients for the sweet potato bread. We have sweet potato rice flour and silken tofu. Results will differ based on the sweet potato type. This time, I'm using Gorojima Kintoki. Feel free to use your favorite sweet potato. Wash the sweet potato thoroughly. Cut off the ends and use it with the skin on. The skin of the sweet potato contains the purple pigment, anthocyanin, is the same polyphenol found in blueberries and red wine. It's an antioxidant that helps with eye function and eye fatigue. Sweet potatoes have about as much as mandarins. They contain vitamin C. They are rich in essential nutrients for beauty and health, such as rejuvenating vitamin E, beta-carotene, and B vitamins. Near the skin of sweet potatoes, there is a substance called yarapin. It's known as a natural laxative. Along with its rich dietary fiber, it helps relieve constipation. If you soak the cut sweet potatoes in water, these nutrients will leach out, so use them as they are. The darkening component is also an antioxidant called chlorogenic acid, so it's fine to leave it as is. This time, I blended 3 types of ancient rice with sprouted brown rice. It contains rice polyphenols. It's gentle on the body. I'll try making it with rice flour and add silken tofu to the rice flour. I'll mix the rice flour together with the moisture from the tofu. Rice flour and tofu as the base make it very healthy. This time, really, I want to try making a healthy bread with simple ingredients that you'll want to eat every day. If you feel like there's not enough moisture, please add more tofu. The rice flour is slightly colored because it contains rice polyphenols. There are various rice flours, such as brown rice flour. Feel free to use your preferred type. The dough should be firm enough to drop from the spatula with a plop, not too hard and not too soft. Now, add the sweet potatoes you cut earlier. At this point, add about 2 pinches of salt. This will bring out the sweetness of the sweet potatoes even more. Now, mix everything together thoroughly. Transfer the sweet potato mixture. Once you've put in the mixture, we'll steam it in a frying pan from here. Of course, you can also use a steamer if you prefer. Place a paper towel as a non-slip mat. Put the bowl with the mixture inside and pour in some water. The amount of water will vary depending on the size of your frying pan, but add about 1 to 2 centimeters of water from the bottom of the pan. The steam has started to rise. Set heat to medium and steam. If it looks like the water is about to run out, please add more. While the sweet potato bread steams, let me announce my book, Small Meals, releasing October 2nd. It's a way of eating that still offers proper nutrition, especially if your appetite has decreased recently. If you're worried about whether you're getting enough nutrition or if cooking has started to feel like a hassle, I think there are many concerns about food. This book is packed with tips on how to get nutrition efficiently, even with small portions. The basics are: 2 simple dishes can provide enough nutrition. We also introduce things like book stands. Let's aim for healthy meals and a body that stays active and energetic for a long time. I'll put the details in the description box, so please check it out. It's done when the sweet potatoes are soft enough that a bamboo skewer goes in smoothly. Steaming time varies by sweet potato type and container, but allow about 30 minutes. Enjoy the simple, natural taste full of sweet potato flavor. This is what this bread offers. However, if you store it in the refrigerator, it will last for about 3 to 4 days. But it will get hard if you put it in the fridge. In that case, you can reheat it in a toaster and enjoy it deliciously again. I'd like to try pairing a healthy spread that's perfect for reheated sweet potato bread. All right, first, I'll toast this in the toaster. You can use white or black ground sesame seeds for the spread. It's up to your preference. We'll use honey and salt. Just make as much as you want, measuring by eye. Add honey to the sesame seeds. And then add a little bit of salt. Adding a bit of salt will enhance the flavor. After that, just mix everything together. I toasted it in the toaster until it was nice and fragrant. Serve it with black sesame spread, and you can enjoy a completely different and delicious flavor. Almost like a snack, please give it a try. Let me describe the bread's taste. Sorry for standing while I speak. It almost feels like I'm eating sweet potatoes. The dough, made from rice flour and tofu, also has a chewy texture. They pair well, with no added sugar. It's just the sweet potato's natural sweetness. Next, I'll grill it, show you how to serve it with sesame spread, and describe the taste. When you grill it, it gets even better. The roasted aroma of the sweet potato comes out, and it's delicious. And when you add this sesame spread, it's almost like eating candied sweet potatoes. It really feels like a simple and delicious sweet. You can have it for breakfast, or enjoy it as a snack, or when you're a little hungry, all without any guilt. Please give it a try. This time, it's an autumn sweet packed with sweet potatoes that you can make with just 3 ingredients. I launched sweet potato bread. The flavor varies greatly by sweet potato type, so give it a try. Please try making it with your favorite kind of sweet potato. Thank you for watching until the end. Well then, let's meet again in another video.